Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And update, not quite the right word. Confirmation would probably be more of an accurate term, and the main point of confirmation being that this area right here at 235 is indeed a level of resistance. Now, I would fully agree that this level was weakened up today as resistance, and I say it got weakened up because for the majority of the morning, the price actually got up above that level. The problem is, though, that as far as establishing a true break, and a true break having two parts, first part being the obvious one, yeah, price has to break above a certain level, but then the second part being, well, yeah, but can the price actually stay above that area? And the whole staying above it is where the price failed and eventually fell down below it, and then after that, the price was never able to get back up above it. So yes, I would fully agree that 235 is a weakened level of resistance, but it is still a level of resistance nonetheless. So keep an eye on that going forward. That's definitely remains public enemy number one going into Thursday. If the price can push up through that level, then the next key overarching area would just be where the party stopped today, and that was at $2, and I'm going to call it 50 cents. I'm also going to make this line a little skinnier to represent it. Yes, it is a level of resistance, but just a little bit weaker of one, so we'll make a skinnier line there. As far as supports, nothing new at all here to report. You still have this area down here at 218-ish, which I've talked about before, and the price didn't even test that, so that support is still in play. And then from the overall point of view, as I've said in the past, just continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. And from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price remains above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. So sure, today a little bit of a disappointment given the price did pull back, but overall, the overall trend is fully intact. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.